Welcome to Flippin' Rejects with me, Shane Luther. This week, I'm going to take this little wood cookie and turn it into the world's best makeup mirror for my wife. Let's get started. To start things off, I took a lid to a 6-inch saucepan, and I'll use that as my template to trace out a cut line. I'm just drilling out a pilot hole that I can use to put my jigsaw blade in. Now to just cut around that line and take out the center of this piece. A little bit of hand sanding to just knock off the rough edges, and this thing will be ready to route out. Here I'm just using this rabbiting bit, and I'll route out a channel in the center of this wood cookie. And while I'm routing out this channel, now would be a good time to just go ahead and subscribe to the channel. So with that channel routed out, I'll be able to turn this over, use the mirror itself as another template, trace around it, and go ahead and route out another little rabbit. And that way this mirror will sit flush within it. Now with that done, I was able to go ahead and drill a hole that I could fish these LEDs through. And although these specific LEDs have a peel and stick adhesive backing on them, I find that they don't stick very well with wood. And so here I'm adding a little bit of super glue just to keep them in place. And I found for longevity that putting super glue around the entire thing just helps it stick a lot better. And it'll definitely last a lot longer. Here I'm just using some hot glue to seal in this mirror. It holds it really well and seals it up real nice. Now, is this the world's best DIY makeup mirror? I don't know. You leave me some comments and let me know what your thoughts are. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you like it. Comment, subscribe. Oh, hey, camera. Just doing my makeup here in this world's best DIY makeup mirror. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button. If you really like it, hit that bell and you'll get a notification every time I flip something and turn it into something awesome. So y'all go out and have a great day and go make something awesome. Actually, I'm not doing makeup. I'm just tweezing my eyebrow. Makeup's for suckers.